but for your student and for many of other people. Let's start with some questions we have prepared.
Let's go.
What motivated you to become lecturer?
Motivate. To be honest, yes. My father was a lecturer. He is teaching us in morning, and in evening he was teaching. He teach us Quran, and not only my father was a teacher. My grandfather was teacher also. Yes, my grandfather was also a teacher. So I think I was inspired by my father and my grandfather was as a teacher when I was a kid. Yes, I think wow, teacher or educator is so cool. In morning they look so brilliant. They look so motivated in doing their job. So I think wow, I want to be like them. I want to be like my predecessor. I want to be like my father. I want to be good teacher like them. I think that's what's motivate me the most.
Okay, question, how was your experience as an educator?
Experience as educator, yes. I think first educated students was fun, and I think when I think that I learned so many knowledge and many years to accumulate that knowledge, and when I think, oh, this is my treasure, and when I think this treasure can be shared to my student, I feel so satisfied. And when I see my student from very different background, very different religious and very religion diverse of thinking, I think wow, I need to do something about them. I need to share my knowledge. I need to share what I learned when I was student. So I think my experience as educator was fun, I think. Yes.
How do you see the role of a lecturer in shaping the future of students?
Oh. Role of the teacher, yes. I think the role of teacher is to shaping the future of student. I think the first is act as a pillar of enlightenment. I think because before we teach someone, that someone or that person is often don't know anything. They often doesn't not learn yet. You can say that he was unlearned man or unlearned person. So when a teacher or a lecturer or when a teacher say this is the right one or this is the right way, you can say that this teacher is open new door. Yes, open new door to the student that this is an enlightenment. This is like the first window that you can open, that you can see, oh, this is new world. You can take your feet, you can take your foot, so you can walk from that door that the teacher that opened the door. I think the first role is lecturer is the pillar of the door to enlightenment, I think. Yes.
Okay. What is the biggest challenge you face in teaching students?
Challenge.
Yes.
I think first is the level of comprehension of my student is very different. I think very diverse. One student, they learn very quick. I just teach them maybe one or two time and he learn very quickly. But other student not like that. Other student sometimes I have to teach them many times, and often this give me headache. How can I teach him so he can understand what I mean, so he can comprehend what I want to teach him. So maybe this is the first challenge when I take my job as educator. And the second challenge, maybe sometimes my student didn't think about their health. There are many times that my student faint from hunger, and faint from illness. Once my student bleed, yes, bleed from their nose, from their mouth, and pain, then go down. At that time, I and all of us in that room was panic. What happened? What happened? And this was happened not just once, but twice, 3 times, many times. So I think the second challenge, the second challenge in my career as educator is how to remind my student to, yes, take your health as seriously as possible. If you feel ill, please, you just come, you just send your note, send to us, send to the lecturer, said, I'm sorry, sir, I was feeling not well. We are, I think we are as a lecturer, I will understand. We will not belittle you. I think we will understand. So I think if
okay, next sir. What is the most memorable moment you have ever experienced while teaching?
The most memorable moment, yes. I think the most memorable moment in my career as lecturer is when I first, the first day I teach. At that time I remember one morning before I come to college to teach student, I felt so nervous, so nervous. My stomach feel ache, and I think my hand was like this. Yes, I can calm down, and when I imagine for 40 to 50 people see me at the same time, gazing at me, like, wow, what will happen? What could happen at that time? So I think the most memorable moment and in my teaching career is when I first day I start teaching. That was so awful, I think, so awful. And when I walk in the door, walk in, and my nervousness and my thought that time was blank. I think, well, now it's the time. Let's do it. I just feel let's do it. And when the teaching session is end, I think my throat was sore. What is this? I think the duration at that time was 2 hours and 30 minutes, I think. So not very long, I think, and not very tight, but the pressure, I think, is the pressure that I felt the biggest, I think. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your time and the inspiring story you have shared. Hopefully your message